Hey guys, Tyler Wilson down here at Kia West. I just wanted to help you guys out. If in the event your tire pops, I want to show you how to use the inflation kit. So step number one, pop the trunk and you're going to reach down below in here to grab the inflation kit. So once you're down here at the tire with the two pieces of your inflation kit, step number one is going to be to unscrew both the caps here as well as here. You're then going to take this, puncture it into the inflation kit and screw it on fully. From there, you're going to flip it over, take the bottom portion out where you're going to find the valve stem attachment. Just going to unscrew that right there. Unscrew your valve cap from the actual tire. Screw this on all the way until you hear it make a hiss and then it stops. From there, you're going to undo the portion for the 12-volt adapter and we're going to go plug that in right now. So I just plugged in the adapter into the 12-volt socket in the back here in the Sorrento. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come back down to the tire. Keep in mind the sealant kit would be fully attached here. Then we're just going to flick the button on the side, let that run, and you're going to let it run until the PSI comes all the way to the indicated 50% mark, and then you're going to be good to go. You unattach everything and then you're away on your way. And guys, do me a favor, don't forget, buy with Ty.